Hello, and it's Wednesday morning. Twice this morning you get my appearance. So back once more, just wanted to show you behind the wheel of a 2024 Volvo XC90. But don't worry, if you are in any other model that's going to have the new Google system, this is exactly how you turn off your automatic start-stop. Automatic start-stop. Engine shuts down every time you come to a stop. Of course, the federal government mandates this, and it helps to conserve fuel, they say, and also helps with your carbon footprint, with the ozone layer, keeping everything clean. So just wanted to bring you this because a lot of people hate it, and definitely go ahead and turn it off. I do myself. In the newer vehicles, you don't have to worry about turning it off because, and I'm going to show you. So right now, traveling along, and I'm going to come to a complete stop. I've got to run into this business. I'm going to hold my foot on the brake as if in a stop position, and you tell me if you can hear it turn on and off. That's in park. You can tell I just put it in park here. But it's such an easy, smooth transition, you can barely tell it. So if you hate it, don't worry. You won't be able to feel it at all. But if you're the type person that says, I want to turn it off, I can feel it, it annoys me. I'm in park right now. You can do this while driving as well. Come to your center screen. All center screens with the new Google will look remotely the same as this. You want to tap the car in the bottom right-hand corner. Once you tap the car, as you can see, headrest fold, start stop, lane keeping aid. Now, if you're not familiar with lane keeping aid, I just dropped a video on that a couple days ago, so definitely pay particular attention to that if you're the type of person that wants to turn it off. But otherwise, start stop, just going to tap there. Now it's off. You just heard the engine fire back up. I'm going to do it once more so you can hear that. For those who said you were talking so I couldn't hear it. On. That's exactly how you turn your lane keeping aid, lane keeping aid. I'm reverting to the video previously. That's exactly how you turn off the start stop. And of course, if you are on that screen, you can leave it there. It's not going to harm anything. But if you do want to get off, go back to your main screen. You can tap your car here in white, or you can tap your home button. We're going to tap the car in white. Now, once again, how do you turn off the start stop? Tap the car and tap start stop to turn it on. If it's on, it's lit in blue. If it's off, it would be as such. Thank you for joining me, and as always, continue to tune in.